Thursday and it's day 157 of quarantine. I am at Nopska Lighthouse. The beach is behind me and the lighthouse is right over here. But I'm about to do a family session. I'm on my own. I'm gonna try to film some behind the scenes, but it is absolutely a gorgeous night. It's like 68 degrees, it's a little windy, I'm actually a little chilly, but the light is beautiful. It rained all day, it stopped just in time for these clouds just like overlay the sky, and it's just peeking out a little bit. It's literally perfect. So I'm gonna go do my session now, and yeah, I'll show you how that goes.
Well, I don't mind to slow down anymore. I don't mind the sound of my shoes on your floor. I don't mind selling out or playing cover songs, as long as friends and family sing along.
You guys, as you can see, that was a perfect night. We had so much fun. I think I already said the word perfect like 1,000 times, but I cannot say how perfect tonight was. Falmouth is about an hour 15 away from home, so I got a little bit of a drive ahead of me. I did make a peanut butter banana for dinner tonight. I'm gonna eat that in the car on the way home. So I'm just gonna head home, upload the photos, maybe start a sneak peek, or I might play Animal Crossing and just take the night off. We'll see how it goes. See how the drive goes. I'm gonna pop a podcast on and hit the road. I'm just checking if this is a good height because it's sitting on a box. Sarah might knock it over. Good morning, everyone. Today is Thursday, day 157 of quarantine, and I'm pretty sure I said that yesterday. Yesterday is actually Wednesday, day 156 of quarantine. Clearly, I'm just losing track of all time during this strange time in life. Anyways, today's Thursday. It is the morning, and I just wanted to say hello because we have a little bit of a checklist to do today, and I just want to like be held accountable, really. So vlogging, I guess, is that way. So today, let me see. We have a few things that we have to do. Nick is going on a camping trip tomorrow. He has an annual guys camping trip that he does every year. I think this is like the 5th one or something, 4 or 5. Not even sure. He's been doing it for quite some time. So the first thing we're gonna do is morning chores, which I'm pretty sure we have done. I just gotta do the dishes. We gotta eat breakfast, essential. Work. We both have to get some work done today because that's just life, and we have to. Make sure everything is charged for Nick's trip because he does film the trip every year. I'm not sure if it's going up on this channel. I think it should because Nick's a part of it. So I don't know, we'll have a conversation about that. I'm not really sure what he wants to do. We have to pack, and when I say we, I mean me. I just have to make sure he has everything that he needs for the next 3 days while he's camping. There is a bunch of stuff in the hallway, and it's been there for like a month. I'm gonna make Nick help me put it upstairs before he goes because it's driving me absolutely crazy. It's just kind of piling up, and it just looks like a mess, and it just needs to go up. And then Nick is going to clean his desk because I've asked him for the last 2 weeks to clean his desk. He has slowly been doing that, but it's not clean yet. And if he's going to be gone all week and I'm going to be in the office all week, I just don't want to look at it. So he's going to clean his desk. And then lastly, we're gonna make dinner. I'm not exactly sure what we're gonna have. Maybe we'll, you know, have something that we would usually have on the weekend or something because he's gonna be gone for the next 3 days. So I kind of just want to have a nice dinner. I want to chill and relax with him because when you're with somebody every single day, every single hour, I mean, I sleep next to the person and they're gonna be gone for 3 days. That's a lot. And I know some people like their space, and I do too. Trust me, I'm kind of excited for it. But also at the same time, I'm a little sad just because I literally have no problem being with Nick every single day of every single hour. So I just want to have a nice little date night tonight. So that is the plan for today. Slim is jumping up on here. Hi, Slim. Yeah, so I'm gonna get going, finish the chores, make some breakfast, and check off the to-do list.
Slightly growing within me, like a thunder breaks a tree. Oh my, makes me crazy. My body aches and my mind's lazy. My head feels weird, I'm feeling numb.
I interrupt this broadcast to let you know that we are gonna head to the town hall to submit our vote. You should vote. It's important. We're gonna go do that right now. I realize it's August 20th. The deadline's 22nd, so that's why we're gonna go to town hall and drop it off. So go vote. If you haven't yet, drop it off at your town hall. It's super important. Now back to the regularly scheduled program. I hope this is a good angle. So today we're veering off in a bunch of different directions from the to-do list that I had put in plan for us. Does it look good? So one, we had to vote. I know I said we didn't do it last week, but we didn't. We had to do research. So we did our research, we voted, and then we went and sent that out. Now it is a huge moment because we are going to pay off our debt essentially, right?
For the most part.
I think so. So we
still have college loans.
Okay, well, we're going to talk about college loans. I'm pretty sure I'm going to die with those college loans. And then we got the car loan, which is like half paid off. So we're doing pretty good, but we do have quite a bit of credit debt. So we have saved up a bunch of money. Usually that is to get us through the winter, but I figured if we suffered this winter to have no debt, then I think that would be worth it. I've never thought about actually paying off debt. I just thought like debt was going to be something I'm always going to have because I'd rather live and then work and pay off money. I know, probably bad philosophy, but that's just how I feel. I'd rather take a trip, spend the money on the credit card and go. But since COVID's happened, we haven't been anywhere, done anything, so we have all this money. So we're gonna pay off our cards, and I'm gonna pay mine today. You're gonna pay yours tomorrow?
Soon.
And I'm about to do that right now. Savings to credit card balance, amount.
The amount on the credit card.
Oh, you can't just click pay all?
You ready?
Yeah, what is it? Wait, let me turn this off real quick. All right, click done, and then continue, and just double check. Savings, credit card, the amounts match. I'm gonna click it. I'm so nervous.
Click it.
Done! I just paid off my debt! Woo! That's exciting. I can go tell Hillary now. I swear packing is stressful, no matter for me or not. Anyways, we're done with our list. We're gonna go and get some dinner from Jason's Tavern. We're gonna do takeout and eat in the car somewhere. I don't know.
Let's do it.
Let's do it. Alright, so I said we were gonna eat takeout, but they had outdoor dining, so now we're sitting outside for the first time on a dinner date since February, I think. Marshalls, I will one day visit you again, and it will be glorious. You it up here, Froggy?
Ribbit.
Seriously though, why is it up here and how do I get up here? What are you doing?
Wanna hold my phone?
What are you gonna do, pick it up?
Yeah.
Oh my god, is it gonna jump to its death?
Oh, he got away.
Hey, did he jump to the ground?
Yeah.
You think he died?
No.
I want him to die.
Dang. I know you wanted a pet frog.
I am vlogging you do this. Good morning, guys. Today is Friday. Don't know what day it is off the top of my head, so Nick will just insert that here. But Nick is working at his desk, as you can see, but he has bug bites on his feet or his ankles. Pretty sure he's allergic to them, so he's soaking them in Epsom salt and some warm water because that's what worked last time. When he came back from camping, he had bug bites. Like, what was it, like we counted 60 or something like that?
Yeah, just on my feet.
60 bug bites just on his feet, but his feet like got swollen. They were huge. So I'm pretty sure he's allergic to like mosquitoes or something. I have no clue, but he has a few on his ankles right now before his camping trip, which he is leaving for later today. And yeah, it's gonna be a problem because they're already wicked itchy and he's in a lot of discomfort. So you're soaking your feet while you work. Look at that.
That's right.
Get a little spa. Blueberry pancake. I decided that since I have a wedding today and Nick is leaving me today, that would have a good breakfast. And the little blueberries literally make everything just that much better. Hi guys, I am at my wedding with Sarah. We just finished getting ready and we're about to head over to the first look right now. I'm designated to be first there to meet the guys there, so I gotta get going, but I am gonna do some behind the scenes on my camera like I have been doing since I'm second shooting. I don't think it'll be as hard. My hair is absolutely freaking crazy today. I don't even know what it's doing, so please disregard the sweaty, crazy hair look because I can't do anything about it. I'm working. Okay, I have to head to this park and turn my car on because it's like 1,000 degrees.
And I don't wanna be lonely when winter is freezing and trees start to bolt. And I don't wanna be sitting alone in a room that's just filled with my soul. And so I came to this place, I'm looking for a familiar face, and that's when I saw you.
You guys, that was an amazing night, and I'm actually really sad to be leaving now because it's before sunset and they're just like kind of, I mean, we've done most of the photos. I'm not sure if she's doing photos later, but I just don't feel like we got enough portraits. I'm sure we did, but like it just doesn't feel like that because they're beautiful, the place is beautiful, like literally this is one of the prettiest backyard weddings I have ever seen. Sarah, thanks for bringing me along. I hope you guys enjoyed that little like behind the scenes like wedding video thing that I ended up filming. I was a little ninja. Sarah's like, I didn't even notice you. I was like, yeah, no, I filmed it on my DSLR camera. But anyways, it's about an hour 15 home, so I guess I'm just gonna hit the road. It might be a little more because it is Friday, and going to the Cape on a Friday adds like 3 extra hours, so I'm not sure if I actually want to grab food before I head home or if I should just wait. I do have some snacks. I probably should just wait, but I really just want Longhorns because I know there's one down the road. Alright, I'm gonna head home now. Guys, today's Sunday. It's day 160 of quarantine, and I didn't vlog yesterday. All I did was play Animal Crossing, took a shower, did my nails because Nick was gone all weekend. But Nick is back and we're about to go get some pizza. Ember, the place we tried to go last time, is still closed, or I don't even know what's going on with them, which is a shame because I love that pizza. So we're going to the second best place, which is Dennisport House of Pizza, which is Nick's favorite. So we're about to go do that now, and I'm excited because I don't think I've had a real pizza in a while. Wanna say hello?
Hi!
How was your trip?
It was good.
I know, I can't. Can you show me some of the footage? It just looks like so much fun. It was absolutely crazy from what I saw. Guys, good news. We decided to drive by Ember anyway, and they're open. And we found a parking spot, so we're about to go in and get us a good pizza. Bad news. Hour and a half wait, so we're doing takeout. So I'm just sitting outside while Nick goes inside and orders a pizza. Either way, we're gonna have Ember pizza tonight. Good news. We're actually got seated. It's inside, but it overlooks the fire, and there's no one near us, so we're gonna be safe. We're good. We're gonna eat pizza at Ember now. Okay, update on the pizza fiasco. Yeah, they had no clue what was happening because we already ordered our takeout. So they sat us down after we had ordered, and the waitress was just so confused. But the pizza looks amazing. Do you want to eat it at home, or do you just want to go to the marina?
Let's go to the marina.
All right, so we're back in the car for takeout. We're gonna go to marina and eat it, and I'll show you the pizza when we get there because oh my god. All right, go for it. What? So this is our favorite pizza from Ember. It's a margarita pizza with sausage on it, and it's the best thing in the world. I cannot wait to have a real pizza right now because we've had pizza obviously, but it's been frozen pizza or like handmade pizza. This is our first like store pizza. I'm so excited.
Yeah, one bite, everyone knows the rules.
Oh my god. So good. Also, our pizza was done in like 20 minutes instead of the 45 they quoted. So that's good. Update on the pizza. She gone. We devoured that in like 15 minutes. It was so good.
Best pizza on Cape Cod.
Oh, so good. Ember pizza. I mean, when you call them, it's a little weird because last time we called, got the same message, they were closed. This time we called, got the same message, but they were open. So just go there because it's good, and they have really cool outdoor dining. They have a picnic tables, fire pit, little tables outside, and they are open for indoor dining as well. So that was good. Look at this view we have though. We're just sitting outside of this marina here, which I think is Witchmere, which is, you can kind of see this area right here. I apologize for all the cars, by the way. We're sitting on this also the side of the road, but Witchmere, like I was saying before, is a place that I shoot weddings at, which I didn't know you can see from here, which is pretty cool. Oh, you ready to go home? What time is it? Oh, the light keeps on doing that too. Let's see. 8:38, not as bad as I thought. Go home, it's like 20 minutes to drive home. Soaking his feet again. They're swollen this time, by the way. They like blew up when he came home from the last time I showed you him soaking his feet. Hi guys, today is Tuesday I think, and I didn't plan on being on camera today, but Nick finished editing the vlog and he just wants me to end it. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, can you please subscribe to my channel, hit the thumbs up button, leave a comment, and yeah, I guess I'll see you in next week's vlog. See ya!